नमस्कार दोस्तों। क्या आपके ऊपर मल्टीपल लोन्स हो गए हैं? क्या रिकवरी एजेंट आपको दिन में बार बार कॉल्स कर रहे हैं? क्या आपकी फैमिली को डरा रहे हैं? क्या आपको बार बार लीगल नोटिस आ रहे हैं? तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप हमसे संपर्क करें। मैं और हमारी टीम आपका पूरा सहयोग करेगी इस स्टेप से बाहर निकलने में। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
And also there is a multiple debt trap on me right now, above 50 lakh loans and credit card with 15 different banks including yours. Okay. So to close this credit card account with HDFC Bank under a mutual settlement, what I can arrange is 14 to 15,000 rupee under one shot. I can give it to you guys under one time settlement.
सर जी मेरे को बोला था 17,000 करके।
17 nahi, I said 1,17,900 is the principal outstanding. You told me, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah, I told 1,17,000 amount ka 12% is what I'll pay. Either it would be 12% or 13%. It's coming around 15,300 rupees.
Please take your decision, sir. Customer is facing lot of financial issues. So what we can do best for him, sir? Okay, sir. We will try for that 15,000 also. So let's hope on that. So please you start arranging that money.
दोस्तों, बाप ऑफ रिकवरी को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे के बटन को जरूर दबाएं और कमेंट में जरूर लिखें रिकवरी एजेंट की बजाओ।
हेलो
हेलो
जी, नमस्ते मनीष विशाल जी।
बोलिए।
जी मैं राजेश करके बोल रहा हूँ, मैनेजर HDFC हेड ऑफिस से।
बोलिए।
जी जी, आपको मालूम है ना वो क्रेडिट कार्ड का लायबिलिटीज है, वो रिकवरी डिपार्टमेंट का आया था। तो मैं रिकवरी डिपार्टमेंट से मैनेजर ही बोल रहा हूँ जी। आप क्लोज करना है ना, सो कैसा सजेस्ट करना बोलो जी।
क्या है क्रेडिट कार्ड का एंडिंग?
क्रेडिट कार्ड का हैंडिंग नंबर इट्स एन 0675।
0675।
हाँ जी।
ओके ओके।
So
व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल?
The principal amount was 900.
1,17,900, right?
Yes, sir.
How much we can get it closed?
You tell me. So there isn't two
I
options.
can arrange 15%.
No, the thing is
17,600 rupees.
So which means you don't want to protect your CIBIL.
No, the CIBIL cannot be protected because I'm having above 50 lakh loans and credit card on me. Okay. I told you, right? I've told you or a previous executive about the business losses, and my colleague into the business I was having with, he committed because of business loss and a business rammed down. And also there is a multiple debt on me. I'm multiple debt trapped right now. It's above 15 banks, credit card and loans on me. So I'm gradually settling all the loans and credit card. And there is only option of settlement that I can get out of this situation, okay?
Okay, not an issue, sir. So whatever we have options, we try to utilize, and we just trying to behalf of the customers only we are working on it, right?
Right.
Whoever it may be. So we are from the bank also, not we are also human being, first of all.
Yes, sir.
So now the thing is, so if we give that least waiver means also, will you can able to pay on once we got a approval on immediate basis?
Sorry, can you repeat?
So if we get a least waiver amount or approval, once you got a letter through your registered email ID, can you able to pay and close it immediately?
Yeah, we can close it at one shot, right?
Okay, just be in a line. So I will take my senior manager also conference line. We will discuss and close it right now itself.
Okay.
Please be in a line, sir.
Okay.
आप जिस व्यक्ति से बात कर रहे हैं उन्होंने आपके कॉल को होल्ड पर रखा है। कृपया लाइन पर बने रहिए। The person you are speaking with.
Hello. हाँ बिशल जी, हमारा सीनियर मैनेजर अनिल सर इज इन लाइन।
Yeah, Anil ji.
Sir, good evening. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, Anil ji. So I was talking to your executive and he took you on con call, and I informed him about the consequences of non-repayment, that there is a business losses, and I was having my colleague working into the business along with me. He committed because of financial losses and business losses, And also there is a multiple debt trap on me right now, above 50 lakh loans and credit card with 15 different banks including yours. Okay. So to close this credit card account with HDFC Bank under a mutual settlement, what I can arrange is 14 to 15,000 rupee under one shot. I can give it to you guys under a one-time settlement. Hello?
Sir, but the final amount is coming only the 21,000 is coming. So
No, sir. 29,000 it's not completely not possible for me because just 15,000 I'm committing you over the phone. This is once again I have to borrow from a private financer on 18% ROI.
you are expecting for the 16,000.
15.
सर जी मेरे को बोला था 17,000 करके.
17 nahi, I said 1,17,900 is the principal outstanding. You told me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I told 1,17,000 amount ka 12% is what I'll pay. Either it would be 12% or 13%. It's coming around 15,300 rupees.
Okay, एक काम करेंगे जी. See, हमारा पास whatever the least scale we supposed to collect from the customer least scale also 20%. So then only can try and initiate this letter through our website. So if we initiate that below amount means also least scale below amount means also, first of all that system itself it will not take for that settlement process. So even though this 20% amount also we cannot assure that we will get approved. So we will try for that amount, for the 20% amount. So it will take maximum 3 to 4 working days time also. By God's grace, it will get a approval now. So you can pay and you can close it, sir. But we will not give you 100% guarantee on that. We will get a approval on this 20% of amount.
Sir, my condition is very worse right now in terms of any finance. In terms of any finance management, okay, I don't have any lead to arrange any single penny for next 1 year. Okay. I am literally telling you very upfront. If this account from HDFC credit card, if this account will have a above or additional pendency of 1 year na, I will have no problem. And also, I will have no availability of any payment that I will be going to close this account. Because I don't have payment available. I am not interested for even a settlement. You understand? Okay. You are calling me, you are approaching me, you are trying to mutually resolve this account. That is the reason I am giving you a point that, okay sir, I'll try my best as well, that I'll arrange and I'll borrow the money from some private financer and we'll close it. But what I can arrange, I'll do not give you any wrong commitment, right? If I say, okay sir, you release the letter, whatever the amount you are telling me, I'll arrange that much. If eventually I'll not arrange that sort of amount, your letter is going to be cancelled automatically, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what I can arrange now, sir, it is 15,000 rupees under one shot. I can borrow that funds from a private financer. If there is any possibility you guys can release the letter on 15,000 one shot, please let me know. Okay, this is my number. You can also call me. Whatever the working days you need, you take your time. Then you can release the letter on my email. I'll initiate the payment at one shot.
Sir, we do understand that you are facing now. But as I explained you before itself, so we do certain boundary. We cannot go beyond that also, right? So whatever the things...
So we have also some certain limits, sir, to take an approach from our senior management. That's why.
I got it, sir, but my condition is very worse. Try to understand, sir. Okay. There is, my colleague has come now. His family is also on me right now, on my shoulder.
Okay.
His wife, his children is completely, they have filed a case against me that because of you, our person has committed. And now court has already attached my income, whatever the savings, whatever the funds I'm having, they have attached my savings, everything to them. Now I have to give these people 30,000, 40,000 rupees per month. My condition is very worse, sir. Try to understand. This 15,000 rupees, I don't know how I'm going to get this 15,000, but still I'm saying yes, I will get it. You understand? I am going to borrow this 15,000 at 18% ROI. You understand, sir? 18% ROI. It will get double up in just 5 months.
Yes.
I'm not having
So
in my
where
pocket.
right now, sir?
I'm in
Where
Mumbai
you are
right
in
now.
Bangalore?
I'm not in Bangalore. I'm in Mumbai right now. I'm here to
Okay.
search for job. My colleague is
Okay.
working in Accenture. He called me.
Okay.
He was having some vacancy. So I just came 2 days back in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm in Navi Mumbai.
But you used to settle in Bangalore itself, right?
No, yeah, I used to reside in Bangalore, but due to the company I was working long back now, the client got rammed down the process. Okay.
Okay.
So I am into a notice period right now in the company I was working with long back. So I have to serve a FNF period and a notice period. Okay. But after that, I'll be having no job left, right? That is the reason I'm gradually also looking for another job. That's the reason I'm in Mumbai right now. I'm here in Accenture for an interview.
Okay. Why? Because I contacted my senior sir, Anil sir. He is the one person who can authorize to get a approval from a senior. Anil sir, sir, please take your decision, sir. Customer is facing a lot of financial issues. So what we can do best for him, sir?
We will try our best, sir. If approval came in, we can initiate the letter, or else we are confirming that it's come normal. Okay.
Sir, at least try push more amount, at least another like 3,000, sir. 3,000.
Sir, what happened? Why I told you upfrontly 15,000 rupee na? Because I have already settled 3 cards.
एक minute.
बोलिए.
So whatever you are telling about the 12%, so straight away I am telling you, even Anik are also well known about this. So this may not get approval. But if there is a chances of 99% of, if we increase another 3% means it will come around like 18,000. So we may have a chances of 99% to get a approval also. So that is the reason we are trying to like conveying this message to you.
Sir, I'll explain you the scenario. I'm so sorry that I'm interrupting you. Okay. But I'll explain you the scenario. Okay. It's not easy money for me to borrow. Okay. What happening right now? Long back, 2 months ago, I have settled 3 cards with RBL Bank, IndusInd Bank, and one of the NBFC called L&T Finance. Okay. I was having above 15 lakh rupee outstanding with these 3 creditors. I borrowed about 2.5 lakh and 3 lakh rupees from this private financer. Okay. And he said directly no. Now, that I'll not give you any money apart from now. You go and check somewhere else. Okay. And I'm having no source to arrange any funds. My friends, family, relative, banks, NBFC, nobody is going to lend me any single penny right now. Okay. Still, I am not aware that this guy is going to give me 15,000 or not. But still, I'm giving you a commitment that I'll arrange 15,000. And that is my thin limit. I cannot go any above than 15,000 rupees. Trust me.
Okay, Manasji, we do understand like how you are arranging your financial status. But as per our terms and conditions, we supposed to follow, right? So,
I got it, sir. I appreciate you guys are trying to mutually resolve this, okay, on a humanitarian ground,
so
whatever
that is
the
what
amicable settlement
you
is.
have to just, you are coming forward. You come just little forward, extra 3,000.
Sir, I cannot do that.
So
Trust me, sir. My situation... Sir, I cannot do that. Please trust me. Please trust me. I am in Mumbai right now. I do not belong to Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am living at my friend's PG. I don't even have any single penny in my deep pocket that I'll go and I'll eat into the restaurant or hotel. Trust me. I am waiting for my friend that he'll come back from his job. Once he get locked out at 6 p.m., he'll come at his PG. I'm waiting for him that he'll cook some food for me. I message him on WhatsApp that please bring Maggie for me. I don't have any money or any finance available that I'll go and I'll do a lunch in restaurant or hotel. This is my condition right now.
Okay. ಅನಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡೋಣ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, sir. We will try for that 15,000 also. So let's hope on that. So please, you start arranging that money. So it will take maximum 3 to 5 working days also. We too don't know whether it will approve come or not. Right away we will telling you. So if it is by God grace getting approval means, please pay immediate basis and close it once you receive the letter through your registered email ID.
Sure, sir. I'll be on my commitment. No problem. You call me. Let me know anytime once the letter is about to release.
Sure.
Okay.
Then we will insert this letter, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Is
sir.
there anything, sir? Anil, sir?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I will mail you, sir, this case.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.